This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Barca Benson Real Estate Team. Less than bedroom, greater than Caroline Barca and Marcia Benson. Charming one-story CBS home with newer roof, 2022, is located on a quiet street east of US 1. The home is clean, light and bright, and has a desirable floor plan with a large kitchen and separate dining room and living room that lead to the covered patio and spacious backyard. Additional features are accordion shutters, large main bedroom suite with 2 closets, a step-in shower and separate tub. Lake Lucie Estates is a small community with a beautiful newly renovated pool, large clubhouse and lots of space for biking, walking and jogging. For more information, review the details below or contact Barca Benson Real Estate Team. Less than bedroom, greater than Caroline Barca and Marcia Benson at 772-485-2216.